Lesson number 4. Factors limiting food production. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to describe the factors that can slow down the rate of photosynthesis and analyze data on these factors. Farmers want to get the biggest crops possible from their fields or greenhouses. To do this, they need to make sure that they have provided the best possible conditions for photosynthesis and growth. The rate of photosynthesis depends on the growing conditions. The best conditions produce the highest rate of photosynthesis. Some things can slow down the rate of photosynthesis. These are called limiting factors. The most important limiting factor is the level of sunlight. If the light is too low, there is not enough energy to drive photosynthesis quickly. The temperature is also important. Enzymes in photosynthesis will not work properly if it is too hot or too cold. There needs to be chlorophyll in leaf cells to carry out the photosynthesis. There must also be a good supply of water and carbon dioxide. The graph shows the rate of photosynthesis of a plant in different light levels. In low light levels, there is not enough light to drive photosynthesis in all of its chlorophyll molecules. Low light is the limiting factor in section A of the graph. As the brightness of the light increases, more chlorophyll molecules are used. Eventually, the rate of photosynthesis reaches its maximum, section B. Increasing the light levels further has no effect because the plant is photosynthesizing at its fastest rate, section C. The best way to measure photosynthesis is to look at how much oxygen is being made by the plant over a set period of time. The table shows data gathered from an investigation using pondweed to measure photosynthesis in different conditions. To make a fair comparison between the conditions, the same piece of pondweed was used throughout the investigation.